Alright, so we will discuss the different types of wavefront. In the first lecture, I gave you one YouTube video that discusses the meaning of a wavefront. So basically, a wavefront is nothing but the locus of a point in which the particles of the medium are vibrating in the same phase. Alright, so here we will discuss the different types of wavefront. The first one is called the spherical wavefront. And this spherical wavefront is produced by a point source. So you have to remember that what is the source of this type of a wavefront. So you can see here this white color sphere out here, and these blue color lines, these are the light rays. Okay, so you can see that from this point source the light rays are coming outward like this, and then this spherical part out here, that is called the spherical wavefront. And you can see that this light ray is always perpendicular to the wavefront. The second type is the cylindrical wavefront. Cylindrical wavefront is produced by a linear source. For example, you have a tube, a very thin tube. The light rays will come out in all directions perpendicular to the linear source. You can see these blue lines, these are the light rays. And if you take equal distance from here, take equal distance, you will get this circle. From here, take equal distance, you will get this circle. And if you join all the endpoints of these circles, you will get a cylinder. This cylindrical wavefront is produced by the linear source. Again, here you can see that the light ray is perpendicular to the wavefront. Finally, we have the third type of wavefront, which is the plane wavefront. Plane wavefront is produced by a source at infinity. And we know that whenever a source is at infinity, what kind of light rays will it produce? It will produce parallel light rays. So you can see here these light rays are parallel. And what kind of wavefront are you getting? You're getting a plane wavefront. Got the idea? So from this particular topic, multiple choice may come in the exam. So questions such as a point source produces option A, plane wavefront, option B, spherical wavefront, option C, cylindrical wavefront, option D, none of the above. So you have to choose the correct answer. And again, you can see here that this plane and this light ray is making an angle 90 degree. So the one thing that you have to note out here, a very important note, is that the light ray is always perpendicular to the wavefront. Okay, so that is one thing that you have to remember.